Okay guys, let's see an example JSP web application to perform a request forwarding operation by using action forward JSP tag. Here you can observe 11 action forward, which is a context root name, contains source.jsp, destination.jsp. I'll forward the request from source.jsp to destination.jsp. And under this context root name, I have one more directory whose name is WEB-INF. Under this, I have empty web.xml file. Fine. So I'm not going to do anything great. So I'll write a normal logic. So let me save this folder, evening session. Evening session. Under this, to JSP web application using action forward tag. Fine. Okay. So let's create a first. Let me create a action forward tag example in my D drive Apache Software Foundation Tomcat 10 web apps. And under this, let me add a directory with the name called action forward tag. Under this, let me create one more directory whose name is web-inf. Web-inf. Okay, fine. So let me go with the source.jsp. So file, new, others, JSP, and just write the logic, normal logic. So let me keep everything in the center. I'm habituated with working with the center tag. So let me add in the center, fine. So nothing else. Uh, I'm writing just, I'm from where? Action, control Z, home, uh, source.jsp. So I'm from source.jsp of action forward context root name. Context root name or context root or web application name. Okay, fine. So let me add here break tag, and fine. And let me add here. This is my first line. This is first line. No, this is my second line. This is my second line, and just let me adding here break tag, and this is the third line, fourth line, fifth line. Fine. After this, let me not this one. Let me change to here third tag, third, and JSP colon forward. Let me add here a page. Let me give the page name as a destination.jsp. Destination.jsp and close of forward tag. Okay. So at the fourth line, I am forwarding, and this is my fifth line. Okay. Fifth line. This is my sixth line, and seventh I'm removing. Okay. Fine. Okay. So I hope you are clear. Let me save this file. Save. Let me go to D drive and Apache Software Foundation Tomcat 10 web apps 11 action forward. Give the name called source.jsp. Fine. Okay, and let me add here one more line. End of source.jsp. Fine. Save. Let me create one more file. One more JSP file. JSP. Okay. And here nothing. Just let me keep here somewhat center. I'll copy same code, but here I don't need JSP colon forward. I'm removing here. I will add here destination.jsp. This is destination.jsp. I'll change here. Here also I'll change. Here also I'll change. End of destination.jsp. And here also I'll change source.jsp. Okay. Source.jsp. Okay, fine. Source.jsp, source.jsp, source.jsp. Okay. And here is my destination.jsp, end of destination.jsp. Fine. And what should I write here? Let me add somewhat like italic, give the difference, italic tag. Let me add somewhat scriptlet tag, and under this or scriptlet, or you can use expression also. Both works here. So new java.util.date date of. Fine. Okay, let me add here break tag. Break tag. Let me close the italic tag. That's it. You need not to add this one. These many number of lines. Okay. These are the dummy lines I added here. So this is the main thing that which shows the date and time. So let me save beside to the destination. Control C, copied, copy file name, and beside to WEB-INF and source under the action forward directory name. Save. Let me use the same name. Yes, yes, same name. Fine. It's a time to create a web.xml file. File new others. XML file. Let me add here a empty web app tag. Web-app tag. Close. Fine. Save. And where should I save? Under the web-inf under in 11 action forward. So here, let me give the name called web.xml file. Okay, done. My application is ready now. So it's my time to start the server. So start the server, Tomcat 10. Meanwhile, let me launch my browser window. And localhost. My Tomcat is started. Let me add the username and password. So here added. Let me open the action forward and here give the welcome file name source.jsp. Okay, so whatever the logic I wrote where in my source.jsp, okay, all the output of source.jsp is discarded and request forwarded to where destination.jsp. Let me add somewhere a break tag. Okay, what is the logic I written here? So it gives me the output of only destination.jsp, whereas source.jsp's HTML output has been discarded by if you use JSP colon forward action tag. So what is the statement that I made in the morning session? Let me open the morning session. So Windows E, D drive, CSMSs. Where is my full stack? JSP action forward morning. If you look at here, so let me correct this diagram. How do I edit? Edit. Edit in Paint. How do I edit? Okay. Let me open this diagram. Open with the Paint. So what should I do here? Let me erase some stuff. Right? So directly let me erase this also. Delete this. Deleted. Okay, fine. Let me correct this diagram here. Done. Done. Okay. Means the browser gave the request to source.jsp. Okay, this logic is executed. Okay, fine. And same request and response sent to destination.jsp. What are the code? What are the logic you are written in destination.jsp? As a response goes to browser window. Clear? Clear? Fine. So guys, and so here entire HTML output of a source.jsp program will be discarded and only the HTML output of a destination JSP program goes to browser window as a response. Hence, this point is proved. Is it proved or not? I am from destination 11 action forward. Okay, destination second line, third line, date and time, destination JSP. This is fifth, sixth, end of destination. I am refreshing again. Okay, okay. Is it proved? Yes or no? Fine. Let me add one more note point. where is my this one? Let me add note point. If you place both, if you place both JSP colon forward, JSP colon forward and JSP colon include tags in one in source JSP program, then the output of then the output of then the effect or in shop then the effect of JSP colon include will not be there, will not be implemented. Okay, fine. Next we shall see one more action tag, that is JSP colon param, JSP colon param action tag. Okay, fine.